Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Today, I'll show you how to download the official Windows 11 25 H2 ISO straight from Microsoft's servers, and then upgrade your PC without losing your files or apps. No Windows Insider program needed. Let's dive in. Let's start with the download. Open your favorite web browser. Type Windows Central in the search bar and hit Enter. Click the first link to land on their homepage. Right at the top, you'll see an article called Microsoft's official Windows 11 version 25 H2 is now available. Click that article link. I've got the direct link in the video description below for you. Once you're in the article, you'll find a gold mine. Official download links for the Windows 11 25 H2 ISO, hosted directly on Microsoft's servers. You'll see options for 38 languages and 2 architectures, x64 for standard PCs, or ARM64 for Snapdragon-powered devices. Before you pick one, check your PC's language and region settings to avoid headaches. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Time and Language, then Language and Region. See what's listed under Windows Display Language. For example, if it's English United States, you'll want that ISO. Why? Matching the language ensures you can keep your apps and files during the upgrade. Grab the wrong one and you might lose your programs. Let's pick the right ISO. Scroll through the article's download links, find your language, like English United States, and click the 64-bit download link for your PC type. The 7.59 GB file will start downloading. Save it somewhere easy, like your Downloads folder. This might take a bit depending on your internet speed, so maybe grab a snack. Got the ISO? Awesome. Now let's upgrade your PC with an in-place upgrade, keeping all your stuff. In File Explorer, find the ISO file you downloaded. Right-click it and select Mount. This creates a virtual drive. Think of it like popping in a DVD without the disk. Double-click the new drive to start the installer. The installer will check your system to make sure everything's ready. When it asks, accept the license terms. Here's the important part. The installer should say it'll keep your personal files and apps. See that option? Great, you're on track. If it's not there, you likely grabbed the wrong language ISO. Go back and download the correct one to avoid losing your apps. Got everything set? Click Install. The process start upgrading to Windows 11 25 H2. This can take a while, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, so kick back. But what if you hit a snag? Some PCs, like older ones, might show a message saying they don't meet Windows 11 requirements. Think TPM 2.0, secure boot, or an unsupported processor. Don't worry, you can bypass these with a tool called Rufus. First, download Rufus from rufus.ie. Click the standard 64-bit link and save it. Next, plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB. Open Rufus and it should detect your USB. Click Select. Pick your mounted Windows 11 25 H2 ISO and choose GPT for modern PCs or MBR for older ones. Leave other settings default and click Start. Rufus will erase the USB and make it bootable. Takes about 10 minutes. Once done, restart your PC, enter the BIOS by pressing a key like F2 or Delete during boot, and set the USB as the first boot device. Save and reboot. Follow the setup, and when it starts, you can install Windows 11 25 H2 even on unsupported hardware. Hey, if you're loving this easy guide to upgrading Windows, hit that subscribe button to join the Passionate About Tech crew. We drop simple tech tutorials like this all the time. Once the upgrade finishes, whether the in-place method or via USB, your PC will restart and you'll be back at your desktop with all your apps and files intact. To confirm you're on the new version, click the Start button, type WinVer, and hit Enter. A window pops up showing Windows 11 version 25 H2, build 26200. You did it! No insider program, no hassle. For good measure, let's make sure you're fully up to date. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any patches to keep your system smooth and secure. That's it. You're running the latest Windows 11 25 H2, all legit from Microsoft's servers via Windows Central's links. You're all set. This upgrade is stable and ready to roll, and you didn't need to jump through insider hoops. Drop a comment. Was this upgrade smooth for you, or are you waiting for the official update push? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.